Hi, good morning, students. Now I am teaching Asian Games. Introduction. The Asian Games, also known as ASIAD, is a continental multi-sport event held every 4 years among athletes from all over Asia. The games were regulated by Asian Games Federation (AGF) from the first games in New Delhi, India until the 1978 games. Since the 1982 games, they have been organized by the Olympic Council of Asia. After the breakup of the Asian Games Federation, the games are recognized by the International Olympic Committee and are described as the second largest multi-sport event after the Olympic Games. History. Prior formation for Eastern Championship Games existed previously of the Asian Games. The former moved in 1912 for the location set between the Japan, the Philippines and China. The inaugural for Eastern Games were held in Manila in 1913 with 6 participating nations. There were 10 for Eastern Games held by 1934. The Second Sino-Japanese War in 1934 and Japan's insistence on including the Manchu Empire as a competitor nation in the Games brought China to announce its withdrawal from participation. The Far Eastern Games scheduled for 1938 were cancelled. Organization was discontinued. Crisis reorganization expansion. In 1962, the Games were hit by several crises. The host country, Indonesia, refused to permit the participation of Israel and Taiwan due to political and religious issues. The IOC would terminate its sponsorship of the Games and terminated Indonesia membership in the IOC. The Asian Football Confederation, International Amateur Athletics Federation, and International Weightlifting Federation also removed their recognition of the Games. Asian Games logo, motto, ever onward, first event 1951 in Delhi, India, occur every 4 years. Last event 2010 in Guangzhou, China. Purpose: multi-sport event for nations and the Asian continent. The Asian Games is the most prestigious event of Asia organized by the Olympic Council of Asia. The Asian country held every 4 years with 17th edition held in Incheon, South Korea this year. The inaugural Asian Games took place in New Delhi, India in 1951 with 11 countries competing in 6 sports, whereas the 60th Asian Games held in China. In 2010, featured 45 countries and regions competing in 42 sports, highlighting the growth of the Olympic movement in Asia. The Games reflect the diverse sporting culture of the continent, such as speak, takraw, Southeast Asia, Kabaddi, South Asia, and Wushu, East Asia. Asian Games in Incheon 2014. Sardar Singh, India's men hockey team, team's captain was India's flag bearer at Asian Olympic on 19th September 2014 at Incheon, South Korea. India participated in games like athletics, tennis, boxing, kabaddi, swimming, water polo, weightlifting, sailing, squash, wushu, archery, football, rowing, cycling, volleyball, badminton, judo, canoeing, gymnastics, taekwondo, hockey, shooting, cups, cue sports, wrestling, golf, chess, diving, boxing. Mary Kom won the first Asian Games gold medal in the 48-51 kg division at Incheon. This was India's only boxing gold in the games. Boxer Vikas Krishnan got a bronze after losing of Kazakhstan in middle 75 kg semi-final. Sarita Devi won a bronze medal in lightweight division but refused to accept it as she found it unfair decision. Wrestling. Indian wrestler Yogeshwar Dutt backed out a gold in the men's 65 kg freestyle wrestling by defeating Tajikistan's Salim Khan Yusupov. Bajrang backed a silver medal after losing the men's freestyle 61 kg final match win 1-3 score of Iran. His compatriot Narsingh Pancham Yadav settled for a bronze by defeating Japan by 7-9 in 74 kg freestyle. Tennis. Sania Mirza and Saket Miani defeated Chinese Taipei top seeds Yin Peng Hyo Ching Chan by 6-4, 6-3 to win mixed doubles gold. The Indian pair of Sanam Singh and Saket Mianani win the silver medal after the loss of South Korea in the men's doubles tennis final. Athletics. Seema Punia, who win gold in the discus throw, threw the disc of 61.03 meters in her fourth attempt to get the better of her Chinese rivals, who finished second and third. This has been her first Asian Games medal. Indian women 4x400 meter relay teams also bagged a gold for the country. Vikas Shiva Gowda won silver in men's discus throw. He threw the discus to 62.58 meters. His second attempt, Iran's bagged the gold. Gowda had won gold in Glasgow Commonwealth Games. Manju Bala's bronze had been upgraded to silver in the women's hammer throw after the gold medal winner tested positive. Achatari Pudiya Jai Shah win athletics bronze in women's 1500 meter. She also finished fourth in women's 800 meter. Jai Shah is representing India is in the Asian Games for the third time. Annu Rani won bronze in women's javelin throw. 59.53 meter was her best in the first attempt. Kabaddi, gold medal for India in men's kabaddi. Indian women's hockey team have also returned with a creditable bronze from the 17th Asian Games. India bagged 8th position in 17th Asian Games. Conclusion. Although India played well in some of the sports which it had always been good at, with a population of 1.2 1 billion, it can really we do well in all the other sports as well, where it is lagging behind. The Honorable PM word, I have been closely following India's progress at the Asian Games and I congratulated every medal winner. You make India very proud. Narendra Modi. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.